To know how to write SEO-optimized content using an amazing AI tool, make sure you watch this video till the very end. You can click on the first link given in this video's description and follow along with me. The tool that we are using is called GravityWrite. To use it, first create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. Click on Sign in with Google. Select the Gmail ID, and this is the page you will be able to see after successful login. You can see that we can write various types of content using this amazing AI tool. However, for the purpose of this video, we will stick with SEO content. On the left, click on Blog Tools, and you can see SEO Optimized Blog here. If you hover over each option, you can see a short description of what you can do with it. Here you can see, this tool helps you in creating an SEO-optimized, compelling, and reader-friendly blog post using a given title and designated keywords. You can click on it. Here we can enter our focus keyword. I will enter Sell the Trend, which is an AI-supported dropshipping tool. Here we have what are the keywords you want to incorporate into your blog post. I will enter Shopify, AI, dropshipping, and you can enter other keywords that you want to be included. Click on Create Content. You can see that our article is being generated on the right-hand side. Once your article is ready, this red-colored button will turn back to blue. Our article is ready. You can copy it from here. We have other options like heading, bold, italics, etc., and we can also add tables, images, links, code, etc. Now, this tool will definitely help you to get started with a good article, but you might need to work further on improving its SEO. As everyone has access to these tools, you will need to put in extra work to outrank others. This tool will basically make your process of writing SEO-optimized articles faster by providing a head start. You can see that with the free plan, we can generate 1,000 words, and this limit resets from time to time. If you want to generate more articles, you can upgrade your plan. Choosing a yearly plan will save you 10%. Also, you will find this weekend sale that offers the yearly plan for just $97 instead of the actual $228, saving almost 57%. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that helps you write SEO-optimized content, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a new video.